when the camera is on. Okay, it's not charged. Let's charge it first. Hi guys, it's Meredith George again. So for today's video, I'm going to do my gadget unboxings because ever since I started my vlogging since September 2020, my add to cart are all gadgets. So I've decided to do a gadget unboxing series. So for today, I'll be doing my unboxing for the lighting for my camera or mobile phone. So I haven't opened this, so let's try. Okay, can I just wreck this? Sorry. Okay, wait. Okay, there you go. So I haven't seen what's really inside. So I got this from Camera Pro. I will link the store name or store website in the description below. So let's see, it has a pouch and it has this handle if you want to put it in a bag or camera. Okay, what's inside? Okay, what's inside is the lights and the cable for charging, and that's it. And this is a pouch for it. Really nice. Okay, I think there's more. Oh, okay, the horseshoe. So this is where, sorry, this is not the horseshoe, but this is, okay, let's see, what is this? I don't know. It says universal adapter for cold shoe. So this is the diffuser light. Okay, let's set it up. So this is all I need, and the USB charging cable. So let's set it up so that you guys can see. Okay. Okay. I'm doing this in real time. Okay. Okay, so I have to loosen up this screw and put this on. Yeah. So, to be honest, I enjoyed this. So I'm a finance girl in real life. I really love gadgets. So yeah, just FYI. Just a trivia. After you screw it, tighten it up. Okay, so I'm gonna try it on. I hope this is already charged. Okay, so there's a on-off button there. So I'm gonna use my Sony a6000 camera. So I have this camera since 2015. Yeah, but yeah, I'm getting a new one soon. Okay, so let's try to put the cold shoe into Sony a6000 so that we can try the lights. So let's show it how we put it. I don't know how. Okay, maybe get it like this. This is how it would look like. Now let's try when the camera is on. Okay, it's not charged. Let's charge it first. Hi, so I already charged up my Amaran lighting up. So we'll just test it now. So it's already 5:30 p.m. here in Australia. So the light is not so good. So let's try. So turn on my camera and I'll try to take a photo. I'll turn on the light by pressing on and off on the side. Okay, so that's on, off, on. And I'll try to take a photo of me with this one. And side by side with the one with the no lights. So first with no light, so without the lights. And now with the lights. With the lights. And now let's try it with videos. So this is the off. Let's record the video. This one, just a sample. And now with the lights on, yeah. Straight away you can see the glowing effect. So let's try to record. Quite difficult here. Testing. Okay, see, even if you just put it on your camera with a tripod, it serves as your light. So there you have it. So you can also use the lighting up with your phone, especially if you're going out at night. All you have to do is bring the lighting up and turn the power on and off, of course, and you can use it as a selfie when you go out using your phone like this, or taking photos of the food when you're at the restaurants because it's so dark when you're at the restaurant. Or you can use this when taking group photos with your friends. I like it because it's very portable. You can bring it anywhere. You can put it in your small bag. So yeah, also this, you can also adjust the lights by pressing the plus and minus button here. So if you want more light, you press the plus. If you want lesser light, you can just press the negative button to dim the light. So I think that's the dimmest that it can be. So yeah, so I recommend this product. So I hope you learned something from this. So this is the lighting up from Amaran, and I got it from Camera Pro. So see you on my next videos. Bye! Bring this diffuser. Doing a food photos, doing a food or taking photos of the food.